Front doorbell cameras sometimes capture some weird stuff.
Imagine waking up at 3 a.m. and seeing this on your doorbell camera. Today I will show you 5 creepy doorbell camera recordings. In the middle of the night, the doorbell camera recorded this elderly lady standing at a random house's front door with a knife.
The owner of the house did not open the door until she eventually left. He stated that he did not know the woman.
It is unclear what was her intentions. I've heard stories when elderly people unknowingly do crazy things.
When as they age they acquire diseases like sundown syndrome. At 1:44 a.m.,
this young man tried to break into a home in Harlingen.
the house owner's daughter Hallie was awake in her room and heard the door rattle.
He grabbed his gun and went to look outside.
He saw 2 people and started following them. When asked their names, they did not answer, and eventually, they ran in different directions
and have never been caught. This creepy woman was recorded smiling to a random house's front doorbell camera.
I'm not doing here with a man, you have your own house.
This woman seems agitated about something, but I could not understand what she was trying to say.
On November 12, 2019, at 11:20 p.m., a possible kidnap occurred on the 3000 block of 3rd Avenue. A female was seen screaming for help as she was driven away by a
male in a
possible 4-door white Prius. One witness said the victim was screaming as her hair was being pulled back.